This is something I never thought we'd do, to be open and honest, but going to other countries for care, where properly vetted and again, properly doing your research, not just going to some random country because it's cheaper. Yes, that's important, is obviously not letting, again, the number one cause of bankruptcy in the US is medical debt. So that is important to your quality of life and overall just your health. But going to a different country, we go out of the country to a dentist that we really like. And we live in Southern California, so it sounds crazy. Like, you guys go out of the country. It's literally like an hour and a half drive to go to Mexico for us, or not even. It might even be shorter than
Yeah.
that.
And we see a biological dentist.
Yeah.
So they are American trained. They do even accept American health insurance. So if you have
Mhm.
dental insurance, you can still use that there. But because it is in a different country, it's a fraction of the price.
So fraction. So I had all my old, I had two old like mercury fillings from when I was little. I
Those
remember
amalgams.
the amalgam. And so to get that removed here in Orange County, it was like, okay, I could do that. The price quote was like, wow, really? Okay, I guess. Because you have to understand, people are paying their rent, their facilities, the labor costs are higher. I totally get it. I understand. But if I could drive an hour and it's a fraction of that and it's the same quality work and the reviews are great and I vetted the institution doing it, the organization and the doctors, and they're really good, why not? If you can do that, why not? And that also goes for when you are doing maybe a bigger procedure. I know we hear funny stories of like people going to Turkey for hair transplants. Okay, we're not really talking about cosmetic surgery. We're talking about just surgeries you need, whether that's for screenings that you need, like a colonoscopy, or whether that's something maybe a little more serious. And if you are able to do that research and properly vet and do that travel and it makes sense for you, it can be very helpful because you are then not having to worry about going into debt or having your coverage change, or a lot of these then stressors that come with medical care here.